Today's video, we will focus on ground staff certificates. In Leon software, it is possible to add duties and documents to the ground staff. In order to achieve this, the first step is adding the aircraft ground. Go to the Admin panel, section Fleet. Next, click New Aircraft and insert ground in a field name. Then, insert aircraft registration. Once it's saved, the second step is defining aircraft crew positions. In the top right corner filter, select Aircraft Ground, and in the tab Ground, mark the appropriate crew positions. In the column operator name, you can use your own crew positions names. Firstly, add the ratings for the aircraft ground. Go to the section Ratings, select a crew member and aircraft ground. And again, mark the appropriate crew positions. Now you can go to the section Crew Calendar, where Leon will show you a separate tab Ground, with all the crew members and the ratings for the aircraft ground. Now it's possible to add duties for the ground staff. In order to add documents for the ground staff, go to the Admin panel, section Crew Certificates, and add certificates strictly related to the ground staff. Click New Certificate, and just like for all the other certificates, insert all the data necessary. Add the certificate name, and make sure that in the section Certificate For, only the ground positions are marked. The same applies to the aircraft type. Once it's done, you can go to section Crew Qualification, and in the tab Certificates, if you use the filter in order to narrow down the amount of the number of crew, simply select only aircraft ground, or certificates related just to the aircraft ground. Now we can see only ground staff with certificates. If you want to add document details, scroll to the right, click the pin icon and insert the mandatory details.